This morning, Michael Clark walked into a Boulder courtroom for a hearing with the potential to alter the murder case against him, a case now in its third decade. It was 1994 that someone gunned down Marty Grisham at his apartment door. Clark went on trial in 2012, and a key piece of evidence against him was DNA from a container of lip balm. DNA identified by Missy Woods, a Colorado Bureau of Investigation analyst accused of falsifying records and other anomalies, and now facing more than 100 felony counts. Clark spent a dozen years in prison before that conviction was vacated, and he walked into the arms of his family, free for now. Prosecutors plan to take him to trial again. The question today was whether his defense team should get access to files in other cases where Missy Woods did DNA testing. During a hearing lasting more than 90 minutes, a judge ordered the CBI to identify files in cases Woods worked that involved male DNA and a finding of mixed samples, and to turn them over to the defense. Defense attorneys argue they need those records to show that Woods was not merely a bad actor, but that CBI's policies and practices allowed her now discredited work to happen. A state attorney representing CBI initially said it would likely take more than 2,000 hours to identify the records the defense was seeking. However, defense attorneys convinced the judge those documents could be located much more quickly using a keyword search. We'll be watching to see if CBI's attorney does indeed ask the judge to reconsider this decision. In the meantime, a spokesman for the Colorado Bureau of Investigation declined to comment on today's hearing. Live in the newsroom, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
The key takeaway is this one case is taking months, if not years.
There was talk today that we might be 9 months to a year away from even setting a trial date and getting through all the motions that are expected. So it may be a while yet before we know how this is going to turn out.
Yeah, and so many more to come. Thank you, Kevin.